Hello guys, it's Feyisetan here and welcome back to my channel. Also, welcome to my channel if this is the first time here. Thank you for joining us in today's video. So today's protective style is going to be faux locks, and these are the things you're going to need: a rat tail comb to part your hair, some hair clips to keep your hair in place, and obviously Cuban twist hair. And mine is in the double strand style in 16" and in the color black. And just in case you're wondering, this is how the hair looks like. My hair is freshly washed, moisturized and stretched from the previous day, so I'm just going to jump right into installing the faux locks. But just for reference purposes, I shampooed and deep conditioned my hair because I'm going to have this hairstyle for at least 6 weeks and possibly longer. So yeah, I'm just trying to make sure my natural hair is protected, because obviously that's the point of protecting my hair. So yeah, just to be on the safer side. And yeah, so first things first, one thing you all should know about me is that I do not know how to part my hair to save my life. I literally just freehand everything, but when it comes to the front of my hair, I try to put in a little bit more effort because that's what I can see. And even at that, it's not still perfect, but I try. So yeah, and with faux locks, it doesn't even have to be perfect. So the messier the better, in my opinion. So what I am doing now is just fluffing and having a feel to see how I am going to go about braiding the strand of Cuban twist into my hair, which is what you see me doing now. And as you can see, I put the Cuban twist over my natural hair, which would now serve as 2 out of 3 parts of my braids. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm just gonna allow you guys watch me because I think it's gonna make much more sense, you guys watching me, than me explaining. So this is how it's looking now, and I am happy with the results because again, I am just learning how to braid my hair as well. So this is a win for me, guys. So moving on, this is the second strand of Cuban twist hair we're going to be using in this video, and I am teasing the hair so it's going to be easier to wrap around. And I'm just going to allow you guys to watch this part carefully as I wrap the hair, because I feel I would not be able to do it justice if I explained. So I hope you guys watch this part carefully, and it's easier watching than me explaining. And like I said, I wouldn't be able to do it justice. So I hope you guys watch carefully. If you need to rewind, do that. And yeah. So one thing I have to mention to you guys is, as I am wrapping the hair, you can see I'm using my finger to guide it, and I would suggest you do the same because that works and that kind of helps the process. So yeah, that's just something for you guys to look out for. So right now I'm just attaching the third and final piece of the Cuban twist to complete the one hair, if that makes sense. And yeah, it's pretty much straightforward from here on out, and I'm just gonna allow you guys to enjoy the video. Also, when I'm done with the hair, I literally just rub the hair up and down between my palms, and that helps me keep the hair in place without it unraveling. And this is how it's looking so far. I love it. Yes. Honestly guys, I must say this is coming out way more beautifully than I expected, because this is my first time trying this method, and I am literally sold. So yeah, I'm literally just feeling myself right now. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I literally could not wait to be done with the hair. But anyways, we are literally going to be repeating the same thing we did earlier, but I'm just going to allow you guys to watch me instead of me trying to explain and failing at it. Also, one of the beauties of Faux Locs is that it doesn't have to be perfect. The more mistakes you make, the better, and the messier it looks, the better, because it's still gonna come out good. So you literally don't have to stress yourself too much, and it's still gonna come out good regardless. I am finally done and I absolutely love the result, guys, and trust me, if I can do this, you definitely can too, because when I tell you I am the laziest natural you would ever come across, I really mean it. And like I said earlier in the video, I am just learning how to braid my own hair. It's definitely a slow process, but with more practice, obviously I'll get better. So please let me know what you think in the comment section below, and please don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Feyisetan to keep up to date with me, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video if you found this tutorial really helpful, and I will speak to you guys next time. Bye guys. Mwah.